Okay, this is me coming into the room. You'll be greeted with a nice picture. A closet where you go hang your clothes up, ironing board, a rack, and an ironing board. Here's your standard bathroom. Here. Nice painting. Standard shower. Okay. We're gonna come out here with my family. You have a nice big table to do your work on. And you will have my family here. And that's a let-out couch. A nice size mirror. It's divided off with the arch. 2 queen beds. Like the headboard. And then you will also have a nice size flat screen TV. You open this up, you got your microwave, and you will have a refrigerator. And you also have a nice size deep dressers. 3 of them there. You can store whatever items in there. And foot rest there. And like I said, 2 queen size bed there. It's nice for a one night stay here in St. Louis. We're gonna have a nice time tomorrow at the St. Louis Aquarium and the Children's Museum and other places. Talk to you later.